Hey, this is Katie with Wildflower Homeschool, and I want to show you these really great books that I found on Amazon for science. They are just perfect for anyone who follows a Charlotte Mason approach or even an unschooling approach, or anyone whose child might be a visual learner or who likes picture books. Really, kids of all ages, even adults. There's so much information in these books, and they've got really beautiful illustrations. But they are these farm anatomy and nature anatomy books from Julia Rothman. And we are going to be using these a lot this year for our science curriculum. We don't use a box science curriculum at all. We do a lot of stuff from the library and then hands-on learning. But like, this is the farm anatomy book, and I'm going to show you the table of contents. But it talks about different types of soil, different things that you have on a farm, animals, farm equipment, planting, and then it just has the illustrations in it are really neat. And it has maps and diagrams and information on soil and crops and the chemical makeup of soil and what crops need to grow well, and clouds. And it just talks about weather, composting. I mean, these are just the first few pages. And it's like this all throughout the book. How to carve a chicken. Making cheese. Talks about bees. I mean, just so much stuff. Milking a cow. Chickens. But I mean, it's just a great book. There's 222 pages in that book. And then this nature anatomy book is very similar, but it goes into moon phases, layers of the earth, minerals, fossils, soil, different types of habitats, different types of snowflakes. But again, this book just goes on. There's just so much stuff. Constellations, different types of bugs. But we haven't gotten into this a whole lot, but I am just so excited to use these. They are only $12 each off of Amazon, and I'll leave a link below. But I just found these, and I'm so excited about using them this year in our homeschool. So